So if you've gotten a chance to look at the program style guide and you're a Eclipse person, you might have noticed the default behavior is a little, for the format option, you go down, pick source and pick format to format your document. The defaults for that are a little bit different than the style guide. So basically it's the difference is right here. For classes and methods, we want the braces to be on to start on a separate line after the name of the method or the class. And the default behavior right now is to put the brace right after. So let me just show you how what you can do about that. If we go to Window, Preference, Java, Code Style, and pick Formatter right here. So there's some built-in formats. What we're going to need to do is create a new one. So I'm going to click New, and I'm going to call it Blue Jay because I got the style guide from the Blue Jay website. So I'm going to click OK, and it will bring up the editor window like this. And if we click on braces, we want where it says class or interface declaration, we want that on the next line, and see, it shows you right away that it's doing that. Anonymous class declaration, we'll do the same thing, next line. Constructor declaration, next line, and method declaration, next line. I'm trying to think if there, does it say in the style guide about enumerated types? Let me just see here. Oh no, it just says for all other blocks, braces open at the end of a line. So if it's not a class or a method, yeah, if it's not a class or a method, then we'll just leave it. Same line, constant body, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, so all the rest will leave this same line. So just from class down to method declaration. And say OK here. And we'll say OK here. And now, if I say format, let's see. Yeah, and now it does the right thing. So our class braces start on the next line, and our method ones do too. Let's see, let me fix this one. How's that? Let me just check something here. Format. Oh yeah, I don't know why that's going to the next line. We'll take a look at that in the next video. But the braces stuff looks okay. The other thing I did was for authorship, I think it's a good idea just to have the names of the authors. If there's anything special that you want to put in here about, you know, what you did as an author or what other authors did, stick it up here in the top stuff. And what else? Yeah, and mainly I included my name in here, not to take credit for anything, but to take blame if anything, if I did anything weird by changing formats or anything like that. And also just, you know, if somebody opens it up and looks at it, it's not exactly the same one in the book, so that kind of lets them know, yeah, it was me, I did something to it. Yeah, in the next video we'll take a look at this param and return stuff and make sure we're clear on what we want to happen with those.